What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of What's in the Box Wednesday. Today we're working with the Hasegawa 124 scale Toyota Celica 1600 GT 1970s. Pretty cool looking kit, cool car. Always been a fan of the older Japanese imports. So we're gonna crack this thing open and take a look at what's inside. In my experience, these flat kits build up pretty nice. The instructions are pretty simple, pretty straightforward, nicely laid out, nicely detailed. It's got a really sharp picture of the parts trees and labels as to what they are. Get to the actual instruction portion. Come on, cooperate. Fold out. Everything is clearly detailed, clearly marked. What gets glued, what doesn't, what gets cut, what sequence to put things in. I've had a pretty good time building these flat kits. They are always really nicely detailed and pretty well engineered. So let's get first off into the body. This little Celica, as they say it on the engine or car show, the Grand something or other. A Celica, really nice. Looks really good. Good details. Some nominal mold lines here and there. You know, a little bit. Those will stand out really easily. Everything looks straight. The panel lines that could stand with a little scribing. Pull out the detail of that just a little bit more, but that's super easy. Barely an inconvenience. Nice looking car. Really good looking vehicle. That's gonna build up nice. And then we'll get right into the glass parts that I'm gonna leave in the bag, the clears. Decent looking logo set. Or logos, excuse me, decals, instrument clusters, excuse me, words. Nice little GT logos. Two little color options. You've got a gold and a white, and a red and black. So those are cool. A couple little engine flags and different types of GT logos. The clear parts themselves, pretty basic. Got your one-piece windshield rear glass, which is always nice for fitment. You don't have to fiddle with the glues and get fingerprints all over everything. So you got headlights, markers, brake lights. Cool. Those will paint up nice and look good. So let's crack into this only other bag besides the clear parts. Oop, I saw a loose piece fall. Where'd it go? There it is. The shifter. Banging gears. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, I'm a dork. Just a big kid playing with cars. The underside. This is a curbside kit, but I know you can find aftermarket engines. It wouldn't be hard to cut that open, and in fact, it even has a little bit of a notch as to where you would cut. The chassis, good details, good crisp, prominent moldings. Those will all paint up really well. Wheel backs, shocks, struts, sway bars. Looks like some mirrors for the fender, which I notice it has holes there, not holes, but slots where those fender mirrors would go. So unless you fill those with some putty or something, you're kind of committed to using those mirrors, which is fine, GT style. So that's the underside of the suspension parts. The interior tub with the door cards and dashboard. Door cards have good raised detail. That'll all paint up really well. And the dashboard, no No details on the clusters themselves, so you will have to use the decals, but that's fine. They always make it look good. Some good details on the air conditioner and the radio and little heater vents and stuff, so those will paint up well. Foot cluster, e-brake, steering column. That would work for a sign in a shop diorama. Wheels, your only wheel option. The rear differential axle, one-piece exhaust, and like I just said, the only wheel option in this kit with the only tire option, but it's a good looking tire for a stock Toyota. You know, it's a decent looking tread. Good profile. Raised letters, Potenzas. It's a Bridgestone Potenza with the directional siping. So, yeah, those will look nice. I'm already seeing that painted black would look really good. The little wheel nib things hold them in place. Some seats, front and rear. Oh, neat. Right hand, left drive. Right hand, left hand options. I always like it when they do that. Somehow a car seems a little more sporty when you make it right hand drive. I don't know why I feel like that, but whatever. Center console. Nice grill insert with a good honeycomb pattern, raised honeycomb. That'll look really good painted up. Same with the wheel. It's got some nice steering wheel. It's got some nice details on it. Little indents. You can always go a little bit further and drill those holes out so it stands out even more. And then the last tree, the chrome bits, which seems a little rough, not as nice as I've seen some kits, but it's not bad. Got a front and rear bumper, the headlight bezel bucket insert. What is that? Some chrome bits. Oh, to the side? Yeah, I think those go in the side of the car somewhere. I don't know. You know, pretty limited, pretty small chrome tree, but it's a good looking kit. It doesn't take much to make these look nice. I mean, those wheels and tires are definitely going to make it. That looks sharp. So that about does it for the What's in the Box Wednesday of the Hasegawa 124 scale Toyota Celica 1600 GT TA22-MQ. Not sure what that means. 1970 historic car series 12. So hope you enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next one.